KFS Rx Meals fuel your gut, empower your life. Keto wellness for health, vitality, and longevity. KFS Rx Meals is healthy keto, good for weight loss, gut healthy, and diabetic friendly. Learn more at kfsrxmeals.com. In this video, we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to cook KFS Rx Meals. Keto Baked Chicken Coating Mix. KFS Rx Meals coating or batter mixes are a healthy alternative to your typical bacon shake sold in stores. Eat healthy, eat KFS Rx Meals. Why don't you treat your family, especially your kids, with healthy KFS Rx Meals chicken nuggets with Parmesan cheese? Download this recipe from kfsrxmeals.com and taste heaven goodness of eating healthy. KFS Rx Meals. Chicken nuggets are a real kid pleaser and adults' delight. And they taste really good and are healthy for you and your kids. KFS Rx Meals care deeply about your family health. Why don't we become a healthy family together? Become part of KFS Rx Meals, big healthy family movement today, and see the benefits. Give us a try. Our KFS Rx Meals Keto Chicken Nuggets are made with our zero carbs keto breadcrumbs. Repeat. Zero carbs KFS Rx Meals keto breadcrumbs. That is healthy. And why won't you feed yourself and your kids healthy? Prep time, 20 minutes. Cooking time estimate, 20 minutes. Total cooking time estimate, 40 minutes. Servings, good for a family of 6. Ingredients: 3 skinless, boneless chicken breasts. 1/4 KFS Rx Meals. Cajun or peri-peri. Baked chicken coating mix. 1 cup oat flour. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Cooking directions. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut chicken breasts into 1.5-inch pieces. 3. Put in a plate or bowl 1/4 or desired portion of your choice of KFS Rx Meals coating mix. Then mix the KFS Rx Meals coating mix of choice with Parmesan cheese in a medium bowl. 5. Put about 2 cups of oat flour. Do not use all-purpose flour. In another bowl. 6. Crack 1 or 2 eggs into another bowl and whisk. 7. Coat chicken pieces with oat flour first, then dip, wash, into the bowl of whisked eggs, and finally coat with KFS Rx Meals coating mix of choice. 8. Place the well-coated chicken nuggets on a lightly greased cookie sheet in a single layer. 9. Bake nuggets in the preheated oven until browned and chicken is cooked through about 20 minutes. Enjoy your KFS Rx Meals chicken nuggets. Looking for where to buy and give KFS Rx Meals keto coating or batter mixes a taste drive? Go to amazon.ca, or if you live in Alberta, you can buy from any of the following supermarkets: Sobeys, Safeway, IGA, Family Foods, H&W Produce, or KFS Rx Meals store, or go to our website kfsrxmeals.com and buy or download recipes, or call us at 403-719-5644. Thank you, and remember, your health starts with you eating healthy. Why don't you give KFS Rx Meals a try today?